Hey, it's Jeff Mays. I was reading the news today. It's the 22nd of March. And yesterday, I see that State Farm, who's the largest insurer of homes in California, the largest insurance company in the United States, they have discontinued selling new policies in the state of California back last year and middle of last year. And now they've said that they're going to cancel 72,000 home policies, not renew them, I guess is the right word. Cancellation's a little bit different. But they won't renew the policies, and they're doing it because of some reasons. The claims paying capacity for our customers and to comply with applicable financial solvency laws. Their financial health has been impacted and continues to be impacted by inflation, catastrophic exposure, reinsurance costs, and the limitations of working within the regulations of the state, decades-old insurance regulations. While this doesn't really affect Washington directly or Oregon directly, it does affect what's happening in the industry. And the industry in general, the past few months, has been very volatile. It's been very different. We've seen several companies exit the market in the state of Washington. We've seen a lot of companies that have really slowed down the ability to write policies in the state of Washington. And, if an insurance agent has to come to your home and take pictures, 25, 30 pictures of your home to get an insurance policy written for you, it really slows down the ability to do that. You may not want the agent coming into your home, first thing. And then secondly, for somebody like me that might have a policy that's several hours away, to go do that, take all those pictures, get them submitted, and then be able to get approval to write the policy becomes a real issue. This is not a good time in the insurance industry. And if you're seeing increases right now in your insurance, you're not alone. I had increases in my insurance. I'm sure almost everybody that's watching this video has seen that. 20, 30, 50% increases are pretty common right now. Home insurance has gotten really tough. I know in Washington and Oregon, because of the fires the past few years, they've really limited where you can go outside the municipal areas. They're looking at things like aerial photography to see what's around a house now before they even will allow it to be written as a policy. This is a different time. And if you're seeing things that don't make sense, well, you're not the only one. And I think it's very difficult for us as agents. It's difficult for you as customers. But I think it's more importantly the ability that that we're out there working for you. I'm trying hard to find policies for customers that are within the same price range as what they're paying. But it's becoming harder every day as we have fewer companies that are letting us write policies. Recently this month we had Main Street America pull out of Washington for writing new business. We've had 3 other companies that I represent. My 13 companies has gone down to 9 companies, and 2 of those 9 are making it really hard to write policies. So it's tough right now. I just want you to understand that. This is not, when you get an increase in your insurance, whether it's home or auto, it's not because somebody's picking on you. It's because the industry as a whole, the insurance companies are losing money. And when they lose money, they've got to take measures to try to get back to profitability, or they're not going to be around. Now, the idea of that is kind of scary when you think about it. If we lose big insurance companies, then a lot of people are going to have big holes in their insurance if they do have a claim. So while it's not good, it's really not good, it would be even worse if we started losing companies left and right due to the fact that they're insolvent. Now, it's going to take a while. These rates are going to adjust. They're going to change. They're going to do things. Obviously, the regulators, the insurance commissioners look at companies and make sure they're not making too much money but they also try to keep it where they can slowly increase rates and get back to profitability so they don't go out of business. It's not a real good day today to be talking about this with what's happening in California, but I just thought if you're reading something in the newspaper or hearing something on the news about California, it'd be a great reminder of what's happening here in Washington and Oregon too. I'm Jeff Mays. I'm the one insurance agent you need for all your needs. Thanks so much.